What if I told you that I stumbled upon a tool that could completely transform how freelance script writers approach YouTube content creation, but it might also threaten our entire business model? Today I'm diving deep into TubeMagic, and trust me, this isn't your typical software review. As someone who's been freelancing in the digital context space for over 8 years, I've seen countless tools promise to revolutionize our workflow. Most disappointing. But TubeMagic caught my attention when 3 different colleagues mentioned it in the same week, asking if I'd heard about this AI script writing platform that's supposedly doing wonders generating content. So I did what any curious freelancer would do. I invested my own money, spent time testing it extensively, and even used it for actual projects. What I discover will surprise you, especially if you're currently offering script writing services but not limited to YouTubers. Let me start with the elephant in the room. TubeMagic is positioned as an all-in-one YouTube optimization suite, but its script generation feature is what caught my eye as a potential game changer for our industry. The platform promises to create engaging, platform-optimized scripts in minutes rather than hours. My first impression? The interface felt overwhelmingly comprehensive. Unlike simpler AI writing tools, TubeMagic clearly understands YouTube's ecosystem. It doesn't just generate text, it creates content specifically designed for video consumption, complete with suggested hooks, transitions, and call-to-action placements. The script generation process begins with topic input and audience targeting. Here's where I noticed the first significant advantage. TubeMagic doesn't treat all YouTube content equally. It recognizes that a tech review requires different pacing, that a lifestyle vlog and an educational tutorial needs different engagement triggers than entertainment content. You can upscale this by providing links, documents, or other sources to generate optimal context for the voice and tone of the script. During my testing phase, I generated scripts for 5 different niches: personal finance, cooking tutorials, tech reviews, fitness motivation, and small business advice. Each output felt remarkably tailored to its intended audience, incorporating niche-specific terminology and addressing common pain points I would typically research manually. The speed impressed me immediately. What usually takes me a couple of hours of research, outlining, and writing was condensed into roughly 20 minutes of input and refinement. For freelancers juggling with multiple clients, this efficiency gain represents significant earning potential. But here's where things get interesting from a business perspective. The quality wasn't just good, it was uncomfortably good. Several scripts required minimal editing before feeling client-ready. This raised serious questions about our value proposition as freelance script writers. Let me share specific pros I discovered during extended use. The research integration stands out. TubeMagic pulls trending topics, incorporates current data, and suggests timely angles without requiring manual trend analysis. This feature alone saves hours of preliminary work that typically forms the foundation of strong scripts. The tone adaptation capability exceeded my expectations. By adjusting simple parameters, I could shift the same core content from casual and conversational to professional and authoritative. This flexibility proves invaluable when serving diverse client bases with varying brand personalities. Another standout feature is the engagement optimization suggestions. TubeMagic doesn't just write scripts, it strategically places retention hooks, suggests optimal moments for subscriber prompts, and recommends pacing adjustments based on video length targets. These are insights that typically require deep platform knowledge and extensive experience. The keyword integration felt natural rather than forced. Instead of awkwardly cramming SEO terms into sentences, TubeMagic weaves relevant keywords organically throughout the content, even the ones you provide, maintaining readability while supporting discoverability. However, my testing reveals significant limitations that every freelancer should understand before incorporating this tool into their workflow. The most glaring issue is context dependency. While TubeMagic excels at generating general content, it struggles with highly specific or technical subjects requiring deep expertise. I tested this by requesting scripts about advanced business strategies and specialized fitness protocols for injury recovery. The outputs felt generic and occasionally included inaccurate information that could mislead audiences. This highlighted a crucial limitation. The tool works best for broad topics with readily available information. Another concerning discovery was the repetitive patterns that emerged across multiple scripts generations. After creating multiple scripts in the personal finance niche, I noticed recurring phrases, similar structural approaches, and identical transition techniques. This suggests potential issues with originality when scaling usage across multiple clients in similar industries. The customization option, while extensive, requires significant time investment to master effectively. The learning curve isn't steep, but maximizing the tool's potential demands understanding diverse parameters and optimization techniques. This somewhat diminishes the time-saving benefits, especially during the initial adoption. Lastly, it is not a tool to do iterations like other AIs. It gives the final script. If you want to change anything, then you have to do it manually, or repeat the process with an improved prompt. Now, from a freelancer's business perspective, TubeMagic presents both opportunity and challenge. The efficiency gains enable handling larger client volumes or offering competitive pricing for quick turnaround projects. However, it also raises questions about long-term sustainability if clients discover they can access similar capabilities directly. I found the most successful approach involves positioning TubeMagic as a research and first draft tool rather than a complete solution. This allows leveraging its efficiency while maintaining the human expertise and creative input that justifies premium pricing. The pricing structure deserves mention because it directly impacts freelancer profitability calculations. At current rates, TubeMagic costs less than what most freelancers charge for a single 10-minute script, making it accessible for individual creators. But before moving forward, I do recommend giving TubeMagic a try. You can find it on the links below in the description. Take advantage of the free trial and let me know in the comments your insights on this tool. So, here's my honest assessment. TubeMagic represents a significant advancement in AI-assisted content creation, particularly for YouTube script generation. It's not replacing skilled freelancers tomorrow, but it's definitely changing the competitive landscape. For freelancers, this tool can enhance productivity and services when used strategically. The key lies in understanding its strengths and limitations, so you can multiply the work you can deliver without needing to cut back on quality. Summary of key points. TubeMagic excels at rapid script generation with impressive quality for general topics and broad audiences. The research integration and engagement optimization features provide genuine value for YouTube content creation. It is significantly time-saving, gives consistent professional structure, natural keyword integration, and tone adaptability across different client needs. However, still be cautious with repetition and specialized content, as I mentioned earlier. As always, thanks for watching Gigconomy Garage. Use the link in the description to try TubeMagic and evaluate how to incorporate it in your line of production. Subscribe if you like the video, and talk to you soon. GG's!